So hello everyone, my name is Sisi and I'm a computer science master's student and I'm currently working in the secure machine learning team with a group of awesome people. So today I'm going to present the application that we recently developed. It's called Virtualldentity and it offers privacy preserving user profiling services. Okay, first of all, by show of hands, who of you has a Facebook account? Thank you. So have you ever noticed those ads that they show you? Do you know how they actually decide which ads to show you and which ones not? So the answer is user profiling. User profiling refers to the process of using user-generated content to predict the user's personal information with techniques such as machine learning. So the user's personal information could be the user's gender, age, personality, religion, sexual orientation, interest, and etc. So the user-generated content that used to do so can be anything you created online. It can be your posts, your comments, your images, your chats, your likes, your your friendship relations, and the keywords you put for searching. So what is the impact of it? So Max the dog used to surf on the internet while no one knew he's a dog. But now he's complaining that because of this, everyone knows he's a 15-year-old Labradoodle and who secretly likes cat's food. Okay. So it seems like user profiling is triggers some privacy problem here. Why? Because when you as a user of those online applications, everything you created is directly sending to the servers of those applications. In that case, the organizations and companies who run those servers will be able to retain and gather all those informations. So if you care about the privacy, if you don't want people to see your personal information, you should start to worry about this. So the question is there any way to preserve the user's privacy while we can still benefit from user profiling? Or in other words, is there any way to prevent the user's information from being exposed to the servers of those online applications? The answer is yes. So our application, our Virtualldentity, is actually developed to achieve this goal. How do we do so? From the overview diagram, we can see that instead of being directly sent to the server, the user's information will be processed on the client side. And then the client and the server will together execute the cryptographic protocols that we designed so that the client can get the referring result back. So eventually, the user will get the referring result while the user never sees any information about the user. So obviously, the cryptographic protocols are very essential to our app. How do we do so? Since the traditional cryptography cannot help us here, we employ secure multi-party computations in our app. To make it simple, by the end of this computation, every party in this process will only know the output and their own input. So here is how we actually developed our protocols by applying secure multi-party computation. The first step is to decompose the machine learning scoring operations into smaller and simpler operations. Then we employ the secure multi-party computation to make each simple operation privacy preserving. And then eventually we'll combine those small pieces together so that the whole process can be privacy preserving. So let's take support vector machine as an example. It is a very powerful machine learning algorithm, and its scoring function can be decomposed into multiplications, additions, and comparison. So here is our actual protocol of privacy preserving comparison by multi-party computation. And I'm not going to go the details of this protocol, and if you're interested, please come and talk with our team afterwards. And besides this, we've actually developed several other building blocks like this so that we can have other machine learning scoring and training process to be privacy preserving. Okay, so as a team, we hope to achieve highly practical results that allow the benefits of machine learning to be unlocked without the cost of individual privacy. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.